Hey everybody, it's Josh here at Just Jeeps and More. Today I got a TJ out here, a 4-liter. I want to talk to you about a really common problem. Multiple cylinder misfires. So this is a common issue on all WJs with the 4-liter, 99 to 04 TJs with the 4-liter, and 99 to 01 XJs with the 4-liter. So basically what happens is in your normal driving with this torquey engine, you're not getting into the RPM range that is allowing the valves to open and spin and clean the top of the valve and the valve seat. Chrysler says 3,200 RPMs. I don't know about you, you drive one of these things, you're not really getting up to that RPM range. So don't be afraid to take your car out and get on it to get the valves to spin. But if you're having this issue, a likely scenario could be the carbon buildup. So Chrysler has released a technical service bulletin which involves taking a can of their Mopar combustion chamber cleaner, getting the engine hot, fogging it until it dies with this, and then giving it a hot soak and allowing this to penetrate on top of that carbon and clean off the top of the engine valves. Now, Chrysler says take this, fog the engine, close the hood, put it in the garage, let it heat soak. Do not fill your engine with this and then put it in the garage. You will regret it. We always do them outside because it will create a ton of nasty smelling smoke when you're done, if you're doing it right. So again, there's a lot of things that can cause this multiple cylinder misfire, but if you're having this problem, your tune-up's up to date, you know all your ignition system, fuel system's working good, this is probably something to try. So we keep tons of cans of this in stock, and it's a service we do here daily. So if you're having this problem, or if you're having any issue, don't be afraid to give myself, Jared, or Mike a call on the counter, 865-691-3400.